How to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. If you guys are facing this issue, this might be because of a few reasons. So, the first one being if you have added contacts to a group without their knowledge and they have reported your account, this might cause this issue. Then, if you have spammed any messages in certain public groups, sending repetitive messages and emojis or stickers, that might be the cause of your problem. And if there are sometimes there might be system glitches, which might have caused the problem. So in order to fix it, what you can try to do is see if your WhatsApp is up to date. So go to your Play Store and simply search for WhatsApp. And if there is an update available, you should always update the app to its latest version, as older version of the apps tend to have these kind of issues. Once you have done that, you could also try to appeal to your account. So what you can do is go to your web browser, and then from here you can simply search for WhatsApp support, hit enter, and once you have done that, you could just go ahead and click on WhatsApp support. Click on the first link, and here you can briefly explain to them that you have done nothing wrong. So click on the contact us button and click on contact WhatsApp support. Enter your number, email address, and then confirm your email address, how you, where you're using WhatsApp, which device you're using, and simply enter that saying that your account has been disabled, but you've done nothing wrong. And WhatsApp will take a look at your account, and if they don't find any violations, your account will be reinstated in a few hours. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.